How to scan for hardware changes in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to force Windows to detect any newly connected or missing devices from the menu. First, right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager from the menu. From there, look at the toolbar at the top of the Device Manager window. After that, click on the Action menu at the top. At this point, select Scan for hardware changes from the dropdown. From here, Windows will immediately scan your system for any hardware that has been added, removed, or changed since the last detection. Following this, if a new device is found, it will appear in the list straight away, and Windows will attempt to install the appropriate driver for it automatically. After that, if a previously missing device reappears after the scan, check if it's working correctly by right-clicking on it and selecting Properties to see its status. Finally, this is especially useful after connecting a new peripheral, reinstalling a driver, or if a device has disappeared from Device Manager unexpectedly without you making any changes. That's how you scan for hardware changes in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one.